Y'all, I am so excited, okay? I'm excited. This isn't my initial reaction, but this is my, okay, I caught my breath reaction because I had to run downstairs to get my package and bring it all the way back up. But, y'all, I got my Jazza box came, y'all. I've missed out on every single box Jazza has dropped since he started doing boxes, but I got my hands on one. I'm not going to open it in this video. This is not the video, but the video is coming because now the kid's here and I can get to work. And on top of that, my Fashion Nova package came in at the same time. So your girl is doing a fashion haul video in the same video. Yeah, I'm so excited because I've been waiting for the longest time for this kid to come in. Ever since I knew, ever since I found out he was coming out with a new box, I was like, I'm getting it this time. I'm not missing out. I don't care if I don't get a PR package, I'm getting mine. And there better be a beard in here, Jazza, okay? Because I will draw a beard on the box when I open it. But you know, that's not happening in this video, but I just wanted to post this video letting y'all know that it came in. See that tape? Spectrum Noir. We about to get it in. I'm so excited. All right, but this isn't the video. Y'all gonna see the video very, very soon. Thank you for being here, and I hope you're as excited as me. But y'all be easy and easy peasy. Stay easy peasy. Yeah. Peace.